All right, everyone. So today what we're going to be doing is I want to show you how to install drywall overhead by yourself. So the tools you'll be needing today, I'm using my handy Milwaukee Impact driver. I'm also using this special bit for putting in drywall. So what that does is it indents the drywall without breaking the paper. So when you go to mud over it, it is a lot easier when you get ready to finish. Of course, you'll need screws and you'll need a T, which is right behind me here. So what I did to hang the drywall, I just took a couple screws. I cut a 2x3, just a little bit shorter than the wall, and then I put the top board on there. And then what I was able to do is put this against the wall over here. So then when I picked my drywall up, then I was able to set the end of my drywall on the board, and then I came down here with my impact driver, drove the screws starting on this end, then moving down this way until I got to the end. So if you've never hung drywall before, few things. One, your screws long-wise go about every 2 feet, and then across it you're going to do 4 screws, and you're going to do just about a foot apart on each one, and then you're all set. So you're going to see a time-lapse video of me doing this. I apologize, when I put this sheet of drywall up, I actually shot it all in time-lapse, so you're not going to get my commentary of while I was doing that, but it's kind of boring anyway, so you're welcome. All right, I did just want to show you guys what it looks like for the indent. So you can see there that with that tool, the paper and everything was indented. So when I go to mud, and especially when I go to finish, it's going to be a lot faster, a lot easier, because that screw is indented into the sheet of drywall. All right, so what you saw was just a time lapse of me actually hanging it, because that part of it's actually boring. But I hope it gives you ideas on how to do this by yourself if you need to do it by yourself. Right now, my wife just happens to be like 9.5 months pregnant pretty much, so she couldn't help me. If you liked what you saw, click like and subscribe, and then share it with your friends. Leave comments.